Yo, what's good? Cuss by Reggie, back with another video. We have an unboxing today. This is a very special unboxing. Shout out to One Hitter Trimmer on Instagram. These are actually his clippers that he brought out himself. These are the Fade King clippers that we about to unbox. All right. I just want to tell him I just met him through Instagram. All right. I am proud of you for having this opportunity right here. I'm gonna get at him and make sure that the link is correct, but I will leave the link down below on how to buy these clippers and where to get these clippers from and the pricing of them. All right. So we're gonna take the packaging off of them, unwrap these beautiful things. I like that package though. I like that. I just like that all black. I like the feel of that. Feel like a premium box. All right. Nothing on it really. So we're just gonna get to the unboxing. These are the Fade King clippers. All right, Fade King. Let's see what kind of blade he has on these. Once you get them unboxed, or once you get them open, you see your pamphlet, of course. You see that? Fade King, baby. I love it right there. I love it. So you got the Fade King. You get your guards in there. You get your half guard all the way up to a 4. You get your oils, you get your cleaning brush. Actually, I don't see the cleaning brush, but you got the oil, so that's cool. Maybe it fell. There you go. There go the brush right there. All right, fell out the package. But as you can see, USB connecting charger. USB connecting. You can also, let's see if he has a, so it does have the USB connector, which is here, but it don't have another, there's not another charger that goes there. So that would be cool, maybe if it had a dock to it that you can set that thing on. These are almost like the, or kind of like the Babyless, a lot smaller, not as heavy. I like that design. If you can see that, Fade King, I like this little crinkle design here. Very smooth. Very rugged right there, nice grip. And these are not, they're not heavy. All right. Got a nice fade blade on there. I see you, Fade King. Again, this is from the company One Hitter Trimmer. I'll leave his description there. I'll leave his link down below where you can get to him on Instagram. If you don't have the link ready for sale yet, I'll leave his link down below where you can find him on Instagram. All right. You see the design? I thought it had clicks, but it's just a floating lever, which I'm not mad at that. Some clippers, I like the floating lever better. I like to actually have the clipper with a floating lever alongside of the clicks, because sometimes you can just get in between with the fades. Not saying you can't get a good fade with only click levers. You know what I'm saying? Of course you can. But sometimes for me, I just like to go over some again. Again, very small. Of course, they kind of do look like the Babyless, but they're a lot smaller, not as heavy. All the weight is here. So I wonder if that's where most of the power of the internals are. All right. They have no power to them. So I'm going to let them charge for a second, and we're going to see how these babies sound. And I'll be back in just, I don't know why I'm telling y'all I'll be back. Like, I could have just stopped it and edited it in, but I'll be back. I'm gonna let it charge for a second, and then we're gonna see how they sound. So while I do got them charging, as you can see, it does have a LED right here. Of course, there's no power left right here. You got the indicator to let you know that they're charging, and it has the nice LED indicator that's gonna tell you how much time you have left. And again, like I said, there's nothing left, so it's 00. But I'm not gonna let these fully charge right now, but I'm gonna let them get some power so we can see how they sound. Cling. All right, so now that we got a little bit of charge, like I said, I'm not gonna let them fully charge. If I do a review, or when I do a review on them, I'll let you know how long it takes to charge. But I have them charged. Like I said, it lets you know how much time you have left, which I like that. One of the only other clippers, not the only clippers, so there are a few of them, but one of the only ones that I've used that I like that does that is the JRL 2020C. And I like that aspect on the clipper. I like you letting me know whether it's a number, whether it's a bar counting down, some type of indicator. Some clippers, they have an indicator, but it's just very small. And once it starts flickering, that's when it's dying. But if it's so small on a clipper, you through a busy day, you're not noticing a small speck to let you know, all right? But we got a little charge left. I'm gonna take them off the trimmers. Hopefully they don't die completely real quick. Take them off the trimmer, the charger, so we can see how they sound. Oh yeah, very quiet, very, very quiet. I like that. That's like even these are the 357 Magnum 3rd edition. These are quieter than the Magnums. They're not, of course they're quieter than those. These are very quiet. I like that. And see how it's blinking? You got the indicator here, but then it's blinking to let you know, hey fam, plug me up. Plug me up. All right. I like that. They're very quiet. They feel like they got a little power. I got to oil them up. And plus they're almost dying, so that can't be held against it right now as far as how they feel. But we will be putting these to use. I will tighten that up a little bit. It's kind of loose, but I'm not mad at it. So yeah, the Fade King. Just a little quick unboxing. And like I said, it has its own guard. He has his own guards that come with it. I'm pretty sure you can use a wall blades. A lot of clippers, and I guess that's because they go across the size of them. When you close them all the way, they've been having that loudness to them. But once you open them just a little bit, it goes away. I had that problem in my 357 Magnum video. I showed that. But nonetheless, if you want to see a review of the Fade King from One Hitter Trimmer, leave a comment down below and let me know, and I will hit you with a review as soon as I get to it. Yeah, and like I said, I'll leave the link down below. If there's not a purchase link down below, contact One Hitter Trimmer on Instagram, and he'll let you know where to get these from. I like that blade. Before I do anything to them, zero gapping them, adding a different blade, I will use them exactly how they are out the box so I can get a good feel of the product. So that's the Fade King. Let me know if you want me to do a review. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, hit the thumbs down button. Hey, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll be back again with another review, another unboxing, another tutorial. I appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.